just because you feel like a zombie does not mean you have to look like a zombie. I'm going to share some tips to help you fake 8 hours of sleep. Okay, maybe not 8. 6 hours though, for sure. What's up guys, it's your girl Breonna Queen. I am an image consultant as well as an award-winning beauty blogger. But that's not all. I am a new mom to baby who still be waking up multiple times at night. So I don't always get my sleep. I'm a dog mom and sometimes they be barking at night. I'm also a wife. I got a career, a business, and I have a social life. So I am a busy girl who doesn't always get her sleep, but I still have to show up for things. So if nobody understands having to look awake even when you're not, I understand. And on this channel, I help busy women just like you look and feel their best. So if that is something that you want, go ahead and join the family by subscribing and clicking to be alerted of new videos, which I do share weekly. Now let's get into some ways you can fake 6 hours of sleep and just look and feel more awake. Okay, so number one, we're gonna start from within. I don't know about you, but when I don't sleep, I crave sugar. I want the donuts. I want the candies. If I'm sleep deprived, I want sugar. And that makes sense. When you're sleep deprived, your body wants the closest thing that's going to give it like an instant energy. And sugar is going to give your body that instant energy because our hormones are totally out of whack. But here's the thing, while that sugar rush might feel like a good thing, after 20 minutes, you feel even worse. You now have that sugar crash and you're going to look more tired and feel more tired once that quick little 20-minute sugar burst of energy has left you. It's not a good cycle, seriously. So the secret weapon is going to be cucumber water. Yes, cucumber water. Cucumber water is packed with electrolytes. Electrolytes are going to help stabilize your blood sugar and give you some energy. Also has B vitamins, so it's going to give you more energy that's going to be consistent throughout the day. You're not going to have that crash. When you drink cucumber infused water, you're not just hydrating, which is very important when you're sleep deprived, but you're giving your body nutrients to actually fight those cravings. Plus the cucumbers can help with collagen. And if you watch any of my videos, you guys know I am a collagen girl, especially if you know you 35 and plus. I'm definitely for that collagen. So drinking cucumber water first thing first is going to help you look and feel more energized. And then pro tip, you don't gotta like slice cucumbers up when you're exhausted. But night before, something I do, I already have cucumber water in the fridge the night before. I have cucumbers, I have a little bit of mint, I'll put that in some water, let that infuse overnight, and the next morning I have cucumber water. I can just pour and drink it. So make your life easier, because when you sleep deprived, you don't want to slice up vegetables. So make your life a little easier and do that the night before and just always have it on hand. Even if you're not tired, cucumber water, just like lemon water, just like water with lime, can really be beneficial to your body. And then second thing, which you're gonna roll your eyes, I know, but I'm telling you these things in order so you can do each thing in order, is stretch. Now I know you don't want to stretch when you're tired. I get it. Like laying down and stretching can make you go to sleep. I get it. But just a quick stretch is going to help you look more awake and make you feel more awake. Stay with me there. You're going to get your blood flow going. Your blood flow going is going to make you look better because it's better circulation in your face, in your body. And it doesn't have to be a full-on yoga workout. Something as simple as some neck rolls. Oh, that feels so good. Reaching up high, reaching down low. Really just allowing your body to have a little bit of stretch is going to wake your muscles up and just make you not feel as achy. So also just doing a quick little stretch after you drink your cucumber water. Now my next tip, something I really love, like I do this a lot, and that is ice roller. Put your roller in the fridge to help wake up your skin. And the ice roll technique is not just about rolling cold metal on your skin. That's actually a strategy to it. So first thing, you want to put your roller in the fridge, not the freezer. You want it to be cold, not Arctic. And you also want to be able to roll it. You want to start at the center of your chin and then move outward towards your ears. This helps to drain lymphatic fluid that can cause morning puffiness. You also want to move to your cheeks and roll upward and outward. Remember, we're fighting gravity here. We're trying to look more awake, not more down. Also, don't sleep on your under eye. Use a gentle pressure and roll from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner, doing this to 3 to 4 sides. And there's actual science behind this. Like the cold temperature of your roller is going to constrict blood vessels, which is actually going to reduce puffiness that you may have when you haven't slept. And this can be done before you do your makeup or after you do your makeup. Just make sure that you're washing your roller so that you don't have any dirt to keep it sanitary. If you love makeup and skincare and just looking your best with ease, I do have 6 free guides for you. It goes over skincare, makeup, beauty, fashion, all of those things that are going to help you look and feel your best. And this is free for a limited time only. Just go to BreonnaQueen.com/glow or check the link down below in the show notes, and I do have it linked for you. So my next tip is caffeine eye serum, because caffeine is just not the coffee you drink to keep you up, but it can also be like an espresso shot for your eyes. And the thing is, caffeine in your skincare actually works different than like the caffeine in your coffee mug. When you apply like caffeine to your skin, and I'm not talking about applying coffee to your skin, but actual caffeine to your skin, a few things happen. It shrinks blood vessels, reduces dark circles, as well as puffiness. Caffeine eye cream is great for puffiness. If you have those puffy swollen from not getting sleep, or maybe you broke up with your boo and you cried all night, like caffeine eye cream is really going to be your best friend. Just make sure that you're applying it correctly, you're applying it with your ring finger, and you're not going too hard on it. Remember, less is more when it comes to eye cream. And I always want to tap, never want to rub, because when you're tapping, you're allowing it to absorb into your skin. When you're rubbing, you're actually tugging at your skin, which can help promote fine lines and wrinkles, and you don't want that. And yes, you can layer this under your concealer, which is my next tip, applying concealer. Now, there is a method to applying concealer when you are sleep deprived, and that is applying a brightening concealer. And a brightening concealer is just that. It's gonna be 2 to 3 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. You wanna make sure that you're applying it in the corner of your eye, and then you're working your concealer up. Applying a brightening concealer and applying it in an upward direction is gonna give you that lifting look that you want. And then after you apply your concealer, applying a little bit of setting powder is going to give you that wide eye awake look that you want. Remember, less is more. You can always apply more, but you can apply less. When it comes to doing your under eye, that is a great thing to do. And a next makeup trick I absolutely love is the shimmer in your tear duct. I love a shimmer in my tear duct. It's going to give me that more awake, doll, bright eye look that you love. Now, you don't want to do a glitter. You want to make sure it is shimmer shade or a pearl iridescent shade. If you're a darker skin tone, you want to look for cream, champagne, beige. If you're a lighter skin tone, you can go with the whites and the really bright pearls. This is going to give you that well-rested look. And again, no glitter. We're not trying to go for the disco ball. We're trying to go for awake and happy. My next tip is applying a under eye liner. Don't do black. You want to do beige. Black is only going to make you look more droopy, more down. You want to do like a cream under eye. Again, it's going to give you that wide eye doll look, which you're going to want when you are sleeping. Game changing tip is applying a eyelash curler. Now, I know eyelash curlers can be scary. I was terrified of eyelash curlers for the longest, simply because like it's so close to your eye. What if you pinch your eye and you go blind? I don't know, I was just terrified of it. But like an eyelash curler can make you look more awake because it makes your lashes look bigger and it like opens up your eyes. Now, granted, today I'm wearing false lashes. These are some magnetic lashes I was able to just swap on. But I'm trying to look more awake and I don't have a full face makeup because I'm not applying YouTube videos. I will just do a little bit of eyelash curler and a little bit of mascara, and it's gonna make me look more wide-eyed and more awake. And eyelash curlers are not as difficult as you think. It's just simply just curling your lashes and that's it. And then follow it up with a little bit of mascara, and you guys, like, the results is amazing. And these are some simple tips just help you look more awake and help you feel more awake. I get it. These are things I do quite often these days when I have to show up, but I am exhausted. And if you're looking for like a really easy 10-minute makeup look that's great for moms or busy women, then you're gonna love my next video showcasing my 10-minute makeup where you look super cute, you still look chef's kiss, but it'll take a lot of time or energy. So watch this video next and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.